Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to break down GoHighLevel in a simple and practical way. What it is, who it's for, and the key features that actually matter. If you've heard people talking about GoHighLevel a lot lately, there's a reason. It combines multiple tools into one platform, instead of running your business across separate apps. For CRM, texting, email, calendars, and automation, GoHighLevel brings everything together. Now, people typically use GoHighLevel in two main ways. First, agencies use it to build client systems. Second, business owners use it as their main CRM. Let's make CRM super clear. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. But in real life, it's simply the system that organizes your leads, tracks conversations, and helps you manage your sales process. Because leads can come from everywhere. Ads, website forms, phone calls, social media messages, referrals. And when your leads are scattered, follow-up gets messy. You reply late, you forget to respond, or someone slips through the cracks. That's why having one centralized system matters. It helps you move faster, stay organized, and convert more leads into paying customers. Now let's talk about the key features. Number 1, pipelines. A pipeline is a simple way to visualize your sales process. For example, new lead, contacted, booked. No show, closed. When you can see your leads clearly, you can manage them better. And when you manage them better, you close more deals. Number 2, automation workflows. This is where GoHighLevel becomes extremely powerful. Workflows allow you to create triggers and actions. A trigger might be a lead fills out a form, a lead books a call, a lead replies to a message. And an action could be sending an SMS, sending an email, creating a task for your team, moving the lead to a new stage, sending reminders. So instead of relying on manual follow-up, you build a system that follows up automatically. And speed matters, because when someone requests information, they're usually comparing multiple options. The business that responds faster often wins. Next up, communication. GoHighLevel helps centralize conversations, so you can manage messages in one place. That means fewer missed replies and fewer lost leads. Another important part is reporting, because you want visibility into performance. What's working, what's not working, and what needs to improve. Instead of guessing, you can make decisions using real numbers. And finally, integrations. No business uses only one tool forever. So GoHighLevel is often connected with other apps to make workflows smoother and keep everything organized. So overall, the reason GoHighLevel is so popular is simple. It helps you organize leads, automate follow-up, track performance, and run a cleaner system. Whether you run an agency or service business, the goal is the same. Less chaos, more consistency, better conversions. That's the high-level overview. And in future videos, we can go deeper into workflows, pipelines, and real automation examples. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.